of owning a dessert cafe, I'm here to show you an example SWOT analysis of Hungry Bear Pancake Cafe. S stands for strength. They got a unique idea of having a teddy bear sitting with customer. Also friendly staff with excellent service. W stands for weakness. They don't have many choice of menu for customer. O stands for opportunities. Nowadays, a trend of consuming dessert is high. Also, customers like to share the pictures of dessert online. T stands for breads. There are many dessert cafes which are our competitors. Market may change, so dessert trend may go down someday. Thanks for watching.